Make a great choice today with the 2016 Highlander. The Highlander is the SUV that's thought of everything. The Highlander offers seating for up to 7 and features Toyota's innovative center stow design. The second row bench seat folds away, leaving a pair of captain's chairs. A 2010 top safety pick, the Highlander is where substance meets style. This vehicle has less than 120,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: navigation system, power lift gate, power passenger seat, traction control, air conditioning, dual airbags, power steering, alloy wheels, 4-wheel disc brakes, rear window defroster. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.